You are paying for too many tools. Most online creators are spending between $300 and $500 every single month on software. Email marketing tool, course platform, sales funnel builder, landing page tool, affiliate tracking, blog platform, payment processor, each one charging you separately, each one with its own login, its own learning curve, its own monthly fee. There is one tool that replaces all of them, and it is completely free to start. Welcome to The Shovel. Every week I dig up the best AI tools for creators so you don't have to waste hours testing things yourself. This week we are looking at Systeme.io, the all-in-one platform that is quietly making every other creator tool obsolete. Here is what Systeme.io replaces in plain English. It replaces MailChimp for email marketing. It replaces Teachable or Kajabi for online courses. It replaces ClickFunnels for sales funnels. It replaces WordPress for your blog. It replaces ThriveCart for checkout pages. It replaces Zapier for basic automations. All of it in one platform with one login, starting completely free. The free plan gives you up to 2,000 contacts, 3 sales funnels, 1 course, 1 blog, and unlimited emails. That is a fully functioning online business for $0 per month. I have been testing this platform, and the thing that shocked me most is how fast you can get set up. A complete sales funnel with an email sequence and a course attached can be built in a single afternoon. No developer, no designer, no monthly fee. Who is this for? Anyone selling a course, a coaching program, a digital product, or building an email list. If you are paying for more than one tool to run your online business right now, Systeme.io will cut your cost to 0. My verdict, 9 out of 10. The free plan is genuinely one of the most generous offers in the creator tool space. Link in the description to start free. And subscribe to the Shovel Weekly newsletter for 3 more tools like this every Monday. See you next week.